Welcome to this Angular training by Coding Jobs. Coding Jobs is the best e-learning platform to learn Angular, practice with great live coding exercises and videos, and apply for jobs. My name is Isam and I will be your instructor. What is the best code editor for Angular? There are many reasons why Visual Studio Code is great. It uses IntelliSense feature that goes beyond syntax highlighting and autocomplete with smart completions based on variable types, function definitions, and imported modules. It contains run and debug feature to debug code right from the editor. Launch or attach to your running apps and debug with breakpoints, call stacks, and an interactive console. The amazing Git built-in allows to work with Git and SCM providers. Review diffs, stage files, make commits right from the editor. Push and pull from any hosted SCM service. Extensions feature to make your editor extensible and customizable as you like. Use your favorite languages, themes, debuggers. Visual Studio supports many others languages like JavaScript, Python, Java. Enjoy and let's practice. To download Visual Studio, please visit the official website and download the version matching your operating system. When you open Visual Studio, you see the welcome page on startup. There is a checkbox at the bottom you can disable if you want. On the left, we have our sidebar. We see the Explore feature where we can explore all your folders and files. You can create a folder or file. Then, we have the Search and Replace feature. You can replace words in one or more files. We have source control for Git, for example, to pull, push to a repo, make commit, right from the editor. Next is Run and Debug feature to debug with breakpoints, call stacks, and interactive console. Here is the Extensions feature to customize your editor. Extensible and customizable editor as you like. Use favorite languages, themes, debuggers. You can find in the Manage settings many options like keyboard shortcuts, themes, palette. Now let's open a demo folder by clicking and browsing to the folder location. Our folder is opening and is empty. Now let's create files and compare them using Window Splitter. The file splitter to compare files is available on the top right of Visual Studio. You can also create a folder by click on folder icon, set the name of the folder and press enter. You can move files to a folder using a simple drag and drop of your file to the folder. Let's create a new terminal. A terminal is a shell where we can run commands. We are going to create our first Angular application from zero using Angular CLI. We can use as many terminals as we want. We can split them, which is great. We can name them, which is amazing. Let's create our Angular application with ng new my Angular app. It will create all the required file and setup to build and serve our application in the browser. Our application is created. We can now browse folders and files with Explorer feature. You compare files with Splitter. You can run some debug from your editor. You can pull, commit your changes. Welcome to the Visual Studio world.